Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's a pretty cool kind of video, as you can tell by the title of the video. I'm going to be talking about how you guys could be making lots and lots of money solely off iPhone accessories. And this doesn't even necessarily just apply to iPhone accessories. It could be Android accessories, it could be computer accessories, it could be Apple iPad accessories. It doesn't really matter, but in the buying and selling game, pretty much everything we sell has the potential to come with accessories when we're buying or selling. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I am able to make a lot of money off of all of these accessories. This is like my accessories actual bin, and how I'm going to be making a ton of money using these accessories with my phone deals. So obviously, if you guys are new here, definitely hit that little subscription button down below if you're new here, or an old member. If you're not subscribed, I definitely appreciate it. And if you enjoyed today's video, which I think a lot of you will find a lot of value out of, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate the support. But getting right into it, as I showed you before, this is kind of my iPhone accessories bin. I just kind of like to keep it all together. Doesn't really matter what the accessory is, but you guys can see by the title of the video, you're watching this because you want to know how to actually make money with all of these accessories. And so the biggest thing is, I'm not going to tell you that you should go out and sell this phone case on OfferUp, Letgo, or Facebook Marketplace for 10, 15 bucks. No, that's going to be a waste of your time. Just getting to the actual meetup and just leaving it. I mean, you have to waste gas for the, I mean, you're not wasting gas, but you're going to have to take time out of your day where you could be doing another phone deal. And it's just not worth it to just go sell 10 bucks for this, when in reality it might take 10 bucks in gas for a lot of you to go sell this kind of phone, iPhone case. But the way you guys can make money with these cases is leveraging it when you're actually going out and selling phones. So I will never sell, again, an accessory by itself. It doesn't matter if it's a phone case, it could be like a little charger, it could be just the wire, it could be the block, and even the actual like box of a phone could be an accessory, and that's probably honestly one of the best accessories you guys can get. But before every like meetup, when I'm going to buy a phone, I'm going to ask them if there's accessories with it, and I'll always try to get pushed for it because that's going to be making me a lot of money. So actually how I end up doing it is I will leverage it in phone deals. So if I buy a phone and let's say it's a bad ESM phone, when I go and sell that on eBay, which I will only sell that on eBay, I will take the phone case away and I will just list it with the phone. One thing you guys, I don't know if you guys know yet, but just in my personal opinion, putting accessories on an eBay listing doesn't really affect the price. I really haven't seen it. I've A/B tested it, in a different word. I have split tested it to see if it does raise the price. It really doesn't. People buying those kind of phones on eBay are going to be doing some other stuff with the phone, either shipping them overseas or using them for their parts. So they don't care about the little case. They're just going to throw it away. It doesn't really like add value to them at all. And you're just going to be wasting money because you could be leveraging that otherwise. So let's say I have this iPhone 8 Plus right here. This is one I ended up buying 2 days ago. It's currently listed on eBay. And so let's say it comes with this case. This is actually an iPhone 8 Plus case. So if I go ahead and this is perfectly good phone, let's say it's 64 gigabyte Verizon, I'm gonna go sell it locally, and I'm actually gonna take pictures with this case. So let's say it didn't even come with this case when I bought it. If I just have it from another phone deal of a phone that I ended up selling on eBay, now I'm gonna have this case to leverage this phone. And you would be surprised how many people actually love having accessories with their phone, because 99% of the people we're selling phones to are gonna be using it for personal use. So when they're buying a new phone, most of the time they won't have an accessory or a case, a glass screen protector on it. It'll really just kind of open their eyes a little bit. And I'll be honest, it does make a difference when you sell it on actually OfferUp. So the first picture I will always include will be in the actual accessories next to the phone. So even if it includes this, a screen protector that might be on it or off, let's say it includes an iPhone cable, like the charging block and the cord, I will lay it all out, look very symmetrically, and I'll put that as the first picture that people see. It doesn't really matter the platform, but again, this is only for reselling locally. So I'll kind of put this here, and I might put like the actual accessory up here. I'll make it look very symmetrical. You just want to have it as pleasing to the eye as possible, because there's thousands of things being sold on these apps every single day. So you want something to catch their attention. So if they see an accessory accessory and a phone, then it'd be like, hey, that might be something I want to buy. If there's a phone right next to it, it could be the exact same phone, but take away this, they're probably going to look at yours first. It's just a mentality thing. I mean, you guys would probably do the same thing. You have to put your mind in this. You have to put your mind in the shoes of the person on the other side of the app looking to buy these actual phones. So again, I'll lay it out very symmetrically, just make it look really nice, and then maybe I'll take a couple pictures just of this at different angles. I'll put maybe just with the phone so they can get a better look at the front, back, sides, whatever they might want to look at. I include as many pictures as possible in my listings because that builds credibility in me, and it shows that I'm not trying to hide anything in my listing, because you guys have seen that on pretty much every platform, and I see it every single day. Somebody will just have a picture and the phone's like this. You can't see the screen, you don't know the gigabyte, they don't list anything about the phone. A lot of people won't even put the description, so they're definitely going to choose you over somebody else. And these phone cases could go for a lot of money. Sometimes they're $50 to $100. But if you think about it, going ahead and selling this for $5 on OfferUp, so you're probably going to get less money doing that than if you actually bundle it with this. When let's say I want to go sell this for $600 on OfferUp, I'm actually going to list it at $650, leveraging this phone case. And the more accessories I have, I'm going to raise that price and leverage that in the phone deal. And things I don't really do all the time, but I might if I'm really trying to close a deal, and let's say I'm going to be getting $200 profit on the phone, and the guy's like kind of yay or nay on it. The reason I have these accessories is because sometimes I'll throw it in. I'll be like, hey, I know you're kind of on the fence, but hear me out. I'll throw in a phone case and an actual like charging port and the cable for you. Does that sound like a good deal? And a lot of the times they'll agree, because if you think about it, these charging blocks, let me get one real quick. These things can get pretty expensive, near like the $20, $30 range alone. And then the cord, I mean, you can buy $5 at Walmart. But again, these cases could go for $50 to $100. So if you add that all up, it could be around $100 just for the accessories alone. And I know it's insane, we shouldn't be selling them at that price, but it will raise the price of your phone. No matter really what phone it is, obviously you have to have the right case for the right type of phone. But this is definitely something you guys should start to leverage. And it's something that I can honestly say I've probably made a few $100 off of it, solely leveraging the idea that I can be reselling these phones for a lot higher price simply because of a dumb little case or a little charging cable. And I have probably 50 different accessories in these, and you'll just collect them over time. And I know a lot of you sell on eBay. If you're a big eBay reseller, you're going to be getting a lot of these accessories, because you should be getting a lot of these accessories if you take my advice, simply because you should be collecting these over time. And maybe I won't use all of these cases or all these cords, but I mean, I lose my cord all the time, so it's great for you guys to use just on the side too. I have headphones. Like, people love that stuff and they really eat at it. So definitely you can increase your prices solely because of these accessories. Over time, they're small gains. I mean, you might be making 10, 15, 20 bucks extra simply because of this little case, but let's say you do 10 of those a month. That's an extra, like what, a couple $100 sometimes if you're really looking to use this strategy. So it's definitely something you guys should look into. And I know a lot of you aren't doing this right now, because I put a post on it in the Facebook group a couple weeks ago, and a lot of you really enjoyed that piece of content. And if you're not in that Facebook group, definitely hit that link, second link down below. I have it linked up here as well. Just a little plug for you guys. But I include tips like this on my Facebook group almost every single day, so I thought I'd make a video out of it, explaining a little bit more for you guys exactly why you guys can be making the same kind of money I am with this dumb little strategy. I mean, it takes little to no effort. So again, if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate the support. And again, if you're not in the phone flipping family, hit that little subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you made it to this far in the video, you mean the world to me. Definitely leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this. As you guys know, I answer every single question in the comment section down below. And with that said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.